Welcome to this week's business update. I hope you're feeling good, staying warm, and keeping the holiday momentum alive. Now, we've got 3 powerful updates for you today. Quick, clear, and full of exactly what you need to keep your teams moving. So let's jump right in. Did you have a chance to watch the Create Your Wave training with Christina Badell? It was so good, truly powerful, filled with so many key takeaways. Now, if you haven't yet, I highly encourage you to go ahead and watch it now. That way you are fully aligned and ready for our next Create Your Wave virtual event that is coming up soon. And we are bringing in someone who does not play small, Marie Kim Provencher. If you don't know Marie Kim yet, listen, you are in for a treat. She's a French-Canadian leader, a double presidential diamond, a mama of 5, and she brings more than 30 years of real business experience. She's been able to build multiple successful companies, and she understands exactly what it takes to grow a sustainable doTERRA organization with clarity and discipline. I love Marie Kim. She is hard-led, and she knows how to move leaders into action. So let's go ahead and turn it over to Marie Kim.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kate with you. I just wanted to say hi and welcome you, please, to register for the special training that we created, Christina and I, that's called Create Your Wave. And I hope you saw Christina's one on November 1st because it was amazing. And it's actually an evergreen training. So I hope you don't miss the opportunity to see it. As for my training, we're going to be sales related training. I'm going to share with you some of my special secrets that only my team knows. And I'm going to share with you some things about energy, about nervous system regulation. I'm going to give you some of the most amazing tips that you really, really need for your business, but that you also want your team to hear as well. We're going to talk about numbers, about money, about posture. We're going to have some fun together. So I can't wait to see you there November 29th. We'll be with you, and I can't wait to see you and share that hour and a half of sales training with you. See you there.
Thank you so much, Marie Kim. Now listen, she is coming to us live on Saturday, November 29th from 9 to 10:30 a.m. Mountain Time for the Create Your Wave sales training about finishing the year strong. Do not miss this. The link to register is in the description. Go grab it, invite your teams, and let's show up together. We are not waiting for January to start a resolution. All right, let's talk about earnings with doTERRA because, my friends, we have some exciting news. We are extending our Double Up Faster promotion into December. We're so excited. Yes, you heard that right. Double Up Faster and double your holiday joy. December gives you a 3rd month to earn double faster bonuses with the exact same qualifications as October and November. 3 qualifying 100 PV enrollment orders in December unlocks the Double Up Faster benefit. That's it. Same rules, same simplicity. Now, why does this matter? First, it lets you earn more for the same effort, instantly boosting your income. Second, it also creates unstoppable momentum, giving your team focus and fire to move forward together. And third, you get to boost your team growth, plus create duplication culture. Isn't that amazing? So go check out the website for more information on how to take advantage of this amazing promotion. Leaders, this season always reminds us how grateful we are for each of you. For the late nights, the conversations, the courage, and the consistency you bring to this community. Myself and our corporate team wanted to share that gratitude with you directly. Take a moment, receive it, and we hope you feel our appreciation for you.
Hey, doTERRA family, thank you so much for all you do for doTERRA and for spreading the good things in doTERRA to so many people. We love you. Thank you for being our partners. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a beautiful time of year. Love you. Bye.
Thanks for all that you guys do. We would not be here without you. We appreciate the hard work you're putting into doTERRA. It's making a massive difference to all the lives around the world. And happy holidays. Love you guys.
Thank you so much for everything that you do. We love and appreciate you. Happy Thanksgiving.
Huge thank you to all the wellness advocates that I work with. I've been so thankful for you this year, and have a happy holiday.
Thank you. We love and appreciate you. Have a happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you so mumuch for the opportunity to build relationships with you and to be a small part of your businesses. I am so blessed to know all of you.
Thank you guys for crushing it. Appreciate it. And you guys have a happy holiday.
From Team Canada, we are so grateful for you.
Thank you for valuing us.
Thank you for trusting us enough to strategize with you.
Thank you for stepping up in promotions like Double Your Fast Start. Thanks for the laughs. And thank you for your continued inspiring relationships.
Thank you.
Thank you for your hard work.
Hello, leaders. On this Thanksgiving, I just wanted to say thank you for all that you do. Thank you for sharing the products. Thank you for sharing the business. Thank you for the lives that you're impacting. You guys inspire us, and we're so thankful for you. So have a great Thanksgiving.
Hey doTERRA leaders, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love and your support and these partnerships and relationships that we have been able to establish together this past year. So I just want to say thank you. I hope you have a beautiful Thanksgiving with your family and your friends. Have a great day.
Thank you for leading with heart. Thank you for always looking for those who need your help and being brave and showing up with solutions.
Hey, what's up, doTERRA family? I just wanted to quickly say on behalf of myself and all of account management and business advancement, how grateful we are for all of the hard work and effort you've been putting into making and continuing to keep doTERRA great. We're incredibly grateful for you and just wanted to say thank you for all you do.
Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving week. I am so grateful for each of you. Thank you for being a part of doTERRA. Thank you for your love of bringing people more health and more happiness. And I hope you have an amazing holiday.